Oh my God, it's so loud out there. What is all this alboroto? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is alboroto. Alboroto. This is a Spanish noun and it means disturbance, fuss, or commotion. Alboroto is masculine, so you can say el alboroto or un alboroto. The plural form is los alborotos or unos alborotos. This word sounds kind of funny. Now let's see a few examples using alboroto. ¿Por qué tanto alboroto? ¿Por qué tanto alboroto? Hay un alboroto en el salón de clases. Hay un alboroto en el salón de clases. Esas señoras siempre hacen un alboroto. Esas señoras siempre hacen un alboroto. María salió a ver por qué había un alboroto afuera. María salió a ver por qué había un alboroto afuera. That's a very long sentence. Pablo y Miguel hacen varios alborotos durante todo el día. Pablo y Miguel hacen varios alborotos durante todo el día. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you like this video. Leave me more examples down below using the word alboroto. Also, visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!